Hey everyone, what's up? It's your girl, Mrs.Cowart Journey, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bells, and make sure you like this video. So I am super excited, super geeked. I am excited to be sharing this video with you all. Like, is the hype real? Does celery juice do what it says it's gonna do, what the people keep saying on these videos? Stay tuned, let's get into this video. So I drank celery juice for 7 days, and let me just tell you, I don't know what I was looking for. I don't know what I was thinking it was going to do or not do. I just wanted to try it. Like, I'm always one that's going to be trying like natural, organic things. So I said, why not? I went out to Publix, to my local Publix store, and I bought me some celery. And I started to juice it on my little bullet, which I think is the easiest way to juice. Y'all, get you a small little bullet that you could take to work with you, travel, whatever, and put it in the fridge. Drink it. Whether you drink it on an empty stomach, they say it works best, or if you drink it after eating meals or during eating meals, it's up to you. But let me just tell you about the pros and the cons of drinking this. Like, let's get into this. So first things first, your girl was so gassy. Like, I know my mama in Georgia smelled me. I was gassing up this house, girl. I was scared to go to work. I was like, oh, what if I can't hold my gas in? Oh, what if someone smell me? Oh, what if I boo-boo in my clothes? Like, girl, I was concerned, for real. I'm a sweet tooth girl. I love me some sweets. I'm working on it. I know, I may have to go to rehab for it. It curbed my sweet tooth. I ain't gonna say 100%, but I wasn't craving sweets like I usually do. Especially with that time of the month coming, you know, my period. Girl, it curved my sweet tooth like a 360, boo-boo. Like, I'm like wondering, like, where my sweet tooth at? Looking under pillows, trying to figure out, looking under the bed sheets, like, I thought I put my sweet tooth somewhere. I don't know where I put it at. For real, in real life, y'all, I was legit. I forgot that I hadn't eaten sweets in like a good week. It's been a whole week the whole time I was juicing. So it will curb your cravings for sweets. So if you a sweet addict like me, you gotta juice. So you might want to kind of schedule when you drink it, because you remember I talked about the gas. So after the gas matter, you know, girl, I was literally, it worked within 45 minutes or less. My digestive system was pushing, honey. I had to go to the bathroom. I'm like, oh my God. The first time it happened, I was like, oh my God, is this a celery juice doing this? Girl, I drank some more and I had to go to the bathroom again. Honey, this thing, girl, why y'all ain't tell me? Why y'all didn't tell me that the doggone celery juice helps with one's digestive system? I'm so geeked. I'm just gonna tell y'all, be by a toilet. Another thing is, it will cause you to have to do number one as well. You will have to pee like a racehorse. Like, you would just get done peeing, washing your hands, and be like, dang, do I gotta go to the bathroom again? You go pee again, girl. So drink however much you want to drink. My goal is to fill it up and to drink at least half a cup. So, you know, your girl in another half. I'll probably do some more. But the easiest thing to do is to wash these. I get 2 celery a day and I juice it and I put water in it. And then I consume that. And girl, it works like crazy. I am really baffled at the fact that it worked so quickly. So y'all already know on my channel. If you don't know, then get to know me by turning on your notification bells and subscribing. Your girl is just, I'm a bubbly person, I'm an exciting person, like I'm loud, like I'm just that person, okay? I'm that friend, okay? But let me just tell you that this doggone celery juice has given your girl so much more energy. Like, I'm sitting here like, always like this, like, you know, I'm ready to go, let go, like going to work early in the morning, coming home late at night. Like, I was literally, I had energy out of like nowhere. I wasn't taking nothing else. All I was doing was juicing, and I had so much energy. You sitting here like, dang, did I just do all of these things? You couldn't stop me. I was like Superwoman. Last but not least, again, these are symptoms that I noticed first day symptoms. It takes away your bloating. What? That should be enough in itself. I'm a bloaty person. I bloat. I don't know, whatever. I bloat, okay? I bloat when it's that time of the month coming. I bloat when it's time to ovulate. I just be bloating. Like, girl, bloating, gas, pooping. Like, your girl was doing it all. So I'm just gonna let you know, you might want to just drink it at a certain time, especially if it works like within 45 minutes, and then kind of stay near supervising the toilet, because you're gonna have several appointments if you drinking at least a cup. So those are all of the symptoms that I had with drinking celery for 7 days straight. And I must say, I love the fact that it took away my bloating, took away my cravings, because like, even on my sweet tooth, I know it ain't good for me. I know it ain't good for my teeth. I know it ain't good for my skin. I don't want to do it. So the fact that it worked and worked so quickly, would I do it again? Heck yes, girl. Your girl's gonna continue to juice. Like, I will continue to juice. People tell me, like, I was watching other videos who were saying how, oh, you know, it's so much work, you have to wash it before, you know, you wake up in the morning, or wash it the day before. Girl, it took me like less than 5 minutes, probably even less than 3 minutes. I just washed 2 celeries, and you can wash all of them if you want to. I washed 2 celery sticks, and then I go ahead and cut it up or break it up, throw it into my bullet, and it gives me this much juice. Like, that's all I do. That takes me less than 5 minutes. I can do that in the morning, I can do it at night, like whatever floats your boat. Like, that's easy. So find you a way. If you're gonna juice, get you a bullet or something like this, because literally all I do is put my celery juice in it, and if I'm done, I'll rinse it out, put water in it. Like, this is my travel buddy. Like, you know, girl, you know, I'm always trying to find easy ways of doing stuff, so that worked for me. Y'all let me know if y'all have tried the celery juicing 7 days, 14 days, a month, whatever the case may be. Let me know how it worked for you, and if you're thinking about trying it, girl, you must do it, honey. I mean, you can't get nothing but boo-boo and blow in it, release, and, you know, going to the bathroom. So, like, why not? Join the club.
Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far? Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video.
So besides the symptoms that I listed and that I experienced, let me just tell you the plethora of things that celery juice does for the body. So the anti-inflammatories of the celery juice helps with bloating, constipation, acid reflux, acne, eczema, vitamin K, folate, vitamin A, potassium, vitamin C, a dietary fiber, and other inflammatory issues. Girl, all of that alone, girl, I'm gonna be juicing for the rest of my life. So that is it. I just want to share with you all my journey, my experience drinking the celery juice for 7 days. And yes, again, repeating, I will continue to do it. So if you're going to join me, make sure you don't forget to list it down in the description, letting me know, the comment section, letting me know that you'll be joining me. And then how long should we do the juicing? Let's see. You all let me know in the comment section, and I'll be back with you all in another video. Bye dolls, see you later. Don't forget to subscribe.